Building healthy communication habits in relationships. Title: Building healthy communication habits in relationships. Introduction. Communication is the oxygen that nourishes any relationship. It is the foundation upon which trust, understanding, and love are built. In order to cultivate healthy and fulfilling relationships, it is essential to develop strong communication habits. This article aims to explore the importance of effective communication and provide practical tips on how to build healthy communication habits in relationships. The importance of effective communication in relationships. Effective communication is crucial in fostering healthy and strong relationships. It enables individuals to connect on a deeper level, express their needs and desires, resolve conflicts, and maintain a sense of emotional intimacy. Without open and honest communication, relationships may suffer from misunderstandings, resentment, and a lack of emotional closeness. Developing healthy communication habits. 1. Active listening. One of the key aspects of healthy communication is active listening. This involves fully engaging in the conversation, focusing on the speaker, and seeking to understand their perspective without interrupting or judging. Active listening shows respect, validates the speaker's feelings, and promotes a safe space for open dialogue. 2. Speak clearly and honestly. To build healthy communication habits, it is vital to express oneself clearly and honestly. Clearly articulating thoughts and emotions helps prevent misunderstandings and allows partners to understand each other's needs. Honesty promotes trust and authenticity, creating an environment conducive to open and transparent communication. 3. Use I statements. When discussing sensitive matters or expressing dissatisfaction, using I statements can prevent blame and defensiveness. By framing statements around personal feelings and experiences, such as I feel or I need, the focus shifts from attacking the other person to expressing one's own feelings and needs. This approach encourages empathy and promotes a constructive conversation. 4. Practice empathy and understanding. Developing empathy and understanding is crucial for fostering healthy communication. It involves putting oneself in the other person's shoes, seeking to understand their perspective without judgment or assumption. Empathy builds emotional connection and fosters an environment where both partners feel heard and valued. 5. Respect boundaries. Respecting each other's boundaries is essential for building healthy communication habits. This involves understanding and accepting personal limits in terms of discussing certain topics or disclosing certain information. Respecting boundaries helps create a safe and trusting atmosphere within the relationship, promoting open and honest communication. 6. Resolve conflicts constructively. Conflicts are a natural part of any relationship. However, how we handle them can significantly impact the health and longevity of the relationship. Instead of resorting to blame or aggression, aim to resolve conflicts constructively. This can be achieved by actively listening to each other's concerns, finding common ground, and working together to find solutions that meet both partners' needs. 7. Practice nonverbal communication. Nonverbal cues, such as body language and tone of voice, play a vital role in communication. Pay attention to your own nonverbal signals, ensuring they align with your message. Similarly, be attent to your partner's nonverbal cues, as they often convey important emotions or reactions that may not be explicitly verbalized. 8. Foster regular communication. Consistency in communication is key to building healthy habits. Regularly check in with your partner, discussing both the trivial and significant aspects of your lives. Maintaining open channels of communication helps prevent issues from festering and allows for the ongoing growth and development of the relationship. 9. Seek professional help if needed. Sometimes, even the best efforts may not be enough to overcome communication challenges. If you find yourselves consistently struggling to communicate effectively, seeking professional help from lay therapy or relationship counseling can provide valuable guidance and support. 10. Cultivate a positive and supportive environment. Creating a positive and supportive environment is essential for healthy communication in relationships. Encouragement, validation, and appreciation are powerful tools that can strengthen the bond. Wing partners. By fostering a safe space where both individuals feel heard, valued, and supported, communication becomes more open and honest. 11. Practice mindfulness. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it is easy to let distractions take over and hinder effective communication. Practicing mindfulness can help in building healthy communication habits. Being fully present in the moment, without judgment or preoccupation, allows for deeper connections and better understanding between partners. 12. Take responsibility for communication. Both partners bear the responsibility for effective communication in a relationship. Instead of blaming or pointing fingers, it is crucial to take ownership of one's communication style and actions. This includes recognizing and addressing any barriers to healthy communication, such as defensiveness or passive aggressiveness. 13. Embrace vulnerability. Vulnerability is a key component of healthy communication. It involves being open and honest about one's feelings, fears, and insecurities. By sharing vulnerability, partners can deepen their emotional connection and foster a greater sense of trust and intimacy. 14. Practice conflict resolution skills. Conflict is inevitable in any relationship, but it doesn't have to be destructive. Developing